Hi guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to install this new 4K 3-channel dash cam from Vantrue. I got it from Amazon, and if you are interested, I will leave the link at the description box down below. If you want to see more Toyota Highlander installation videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so you are updated once I uploaded the new ones. These are the contents inside the box of Vantrue 4K dash cam. This is a 3-channel dash cam. It will record front, rear, and also inside the vehicle. The tools needed for this installation are prying tool, circuit tester, and a long nose plier. And we also need the wiring harness to have the dash cam running. I mean recording even if the vehicle is off, so it's recording on park mode. First, install the front camera. Connect the suction cup at the camera, then place it in the middle of your windshield or anywhere as long as it's not obstructing your view. Then carefully pull the weather seal and side panel of the door. Insert the longest wire provided. Once the wire is inserted, put the weather seal and side panel back. Do this until to the back of the trunk door. Once you reach the trunk side, make sure to leave some slack when you install the rear camera so the wiring won't get stretched when the trunk opens. It should look like this. For the hard wiring procedure, you have to look for a constant power which the camera will use when the vehicle is in park mode, or in other words, your camera is running 24/7 even if the vehicle is off. I already checked the fuses and I'm going to use the trunk door for my constant power. And for the other fuse, I'm going to use the power outlet number 1, which is the lighter outlet below the radio head unit. And don't forget to clamp the ground of your circuit tester or else it won't work. When you check the fuse with the constant power, the tester should light up even when the vehicle is off. And when you check for the other switch, it shouldn't light up because there should be no current flowing unless you turn on the vehicle. Let's check again. So that is 15. Okay, now there's lights, so it means it's running. Okay. Pull the fuses that we're going to use to piggyback on the wirings. The wiring harness comes in 3 different styles. Just use the one with the smallest, with the mini fuse, because that's the one they use in Highlander. You have to connect this wiring with the 15 amps on the accessory wiring with the yellow one. Connect this wire to the battery wiring, which is the red wire. And for the hardwire kit, I set it to 12.0 volts. Plug in the wiring harness to their correct positions, and don't forget to connect the ground to the nearest bolt. The accessory wiring is connected to the power outlet number 1, and on the other side is the battery wiring, which is the constant. I use the trunk door lock. This is how I do it. You can use other fuses, but I suggest not to use the fuse that it is used to start the vehicle. Do it at your own risk, or might as well ask for a professional to do it for you if you are not that confident to do it on your own. Just plug in the wires of front and rear cameras and insert the SD card and you are all set. And that is it. Hardwiring and installation is done. And as you can see, the camera is already on, but I'm gonna turn on the engine. Okay. Not even touching it. Okay, it's been running for 4 minutes. Then I'm gonna turn off the engine. Okay. And it's still running. Okay. Now it is on park mode. And as for the quality of the video, I am impressed. The purpose we installed dashcam is not only to see what happened on the scene, but to see clearly the plate numbers of other vehicles. And that is all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. Thank you, and see you on our next video.